Did you ever think on the sink to find out where the water your family drinks every day comes from? Well, there's private wells.
What are you doing, train?
Across homes from different sources like lakes, rivers, ground. Michigan.gov/care4MI drinking water. Tap into the facts about your home's water source. Learn more about your home's water quality to protect your family's health. Once again, gov/care4MI drinking water. A message from the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services.
What the f are you doing?
I'm Carl Marusak from A7.
Yeah, you're a dumb moron.
What I mean.
Bro, are you fucking kidding me?
I think people think of him as kind of a slaver that goes out and it's easy to him, but his work ethic's on a different level, would you say?
Yeah, he's like one.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
Yeah, come on. Let's go. Go. See what happens. Go. Go see what happens. No, you're the one doing it. You're going to stop me. You want to cross the cross from this one? That's what you're going to get.
Be a safe driver. Mama, you need to talk to him.
That lane. You idiot.
Oh, man. Yeah, Diaz there.
Yeah.
Where's that guy did before he found out he'd been slurping his soup? This is awfully salty.
So I believe that out.
Wow.
Oh my God.
You! Pull over! Pull over! Pull over!
A report that found 73 employees at
Nicht geht, aber ich habe extra reingekriegt. Also wir
select your agent.
out of the back. So just so we can put that overall picture for us. Get out!
Built up these earthen mounds that they could hide.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the?
Jesus Christ.
Ah!
That guy's thing just fell down. Look at this whole whole undercarriage just fell down and it's all kind of flew off to the side.
Pull the f over. It's on video. It's on video, brother. Dude, I'm in my lane. You came into my lane. It's on video. It's on video, brother. It's on video, brother. It's on video. Call the police. Dude, oh yeah, I did because you had my car. Yeah, you did.
Dude, nothing even happened!
License, registration, and insurance, and Metro. Dude. Yeah, it did. Dude, you came into my lane, brother.
So important. Why do I always talk about guaranteed service? Because they are different from other companies like them. And they back it.
Whoa!
I don't think I would answer the phone here.
What the?
What the? Oh! Yo! No! What are you doing? No! Look at like the minute question! What are you doing? Y'all put him in the camera! Are you on? What drugs are you on?
I'd quit if that happened to me. If I like kicked it and it didn't go, I'm like, it's been here. I would quit. What is this thing doing?
I have no idea, dude. Just getting away from him.
Slow down. Jesus, dude. Oh my god.
Wow.
Yeah, dumbass.
I love the internet because it is a place of learning and healing, and that I'm a dinosaur. I'm slipping into the tar of irrelevant redundancy. And what are we doing? So I'm forever horrified by what new I may say that will alienate people I care about. So I, a year and a half ago, I did write an essay.
Why are those people sitting right there?
the hjälpen bor jag hade ju. What are you doing? What the?
No, honestly, because
What the hell?
Holy fuck.
Because apparently the officers that took her initial statement treated her more like a suspect instead of a victim.
I think it's possible. They both.
What does that mean?
Drizzle will continue as well. Fog in some places. Highs of around 8 degrees Celsius. That's the latest. I'm Louisa King.
Coming up, we will speak.
A few more tunes to squeeze on for 11. Backstreet Boys after this.
Daryl? Kenapa?
Tak,
Apa? Kenapa? Kenapa?
Putain, c'est pas vrai ça. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait ce connard? Putain! Mais je fais quoi?
Il va vite, regardez. Il a l'air de...
Je crois qu'il va.
Oh, mais il est prêt.
Eh, bien le stop, super. Putain, mais c'est pas vrai ça. T'es taré ou quoi? T'es con ou quoi? Ah ouais, mais attends.
She gon' work out. Focus on the pussy, she didn't come to work out. Just what are you? Competition, she gon' work out. First in competition, she gon' work out.
What you doing? But you're in the middle of the road.
Right here, bro. Just chill, bro. I will fight you, homie.
All right, go on your way then.
Even if I'm going to
Bro, the left turn's right down your left. All right, I got you. Come on, let's go on our way. We're blocking people.
Wait a minute. The city show called the Follow Robberies. Replacing hands of EFG living on the street routes to target, follow, assault.
Barris, who's one of the other of the two signings that transferred. And he, like, Barris ends up having a good game.